Steve?
Playing with wires. Where's Drew when you need him?
Right?
Okay, so we have the Dakota Digital main hub box here, and we've put a bunch of connections in there, like our turn signals, brake lights. What else did we put in there? We hooked up the speedometer to the transfer case and ran those lines up to this box. Our fuel send, and now we're going to connect it to the Dakota Digital interface here. So you just plug that in with just a regular old Cat 5 cable. And plug that sucker in there, and then we have an OBD2 sensor or connector that's going to plug into the Cummins OBD2 connector down here. And we should have some magic here on the dashboard.
Oh man. We're installing the BIM012 bus interface module for the OBD2 vehicle interface. Woo! Are you following? Good. Press and hold SW1 for at least 3 seconds and then release it.
1, 2, 3.
The display should show the current setting.
It says engine 8.
Okay. Press and release. Press and release SW1 until engine bus is displayed.
Okay.
Press and release. So.
Oh, press and release.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. There you go.
Oh, it's back.
No back.
There's no back. Son of a mother. This is super fun.
Stop! Nope, you went too far.
I did?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
Okay. Press and hold.
Press and hold SW1 until done is displayed. Boom! Good job, Steve.
Yeah, we should work for NASA or something.
Yeah. Once again, rolling dirty.
Oh man. Okay, so we're driving a full mile, and the pulse unit is sending the Dakota Digital the pulses. So for a full mile, it's going to read it, and then it's going to translate how fast we're going, basically. Yeah.
It's magic.
Magic. Okay. And we will click it. And now we got speed.
Nice. Sweet. Speedometer now works.
Let's see how fast we can get this sucker going.